Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we learned about India. We learned about different states of India, and I'm sure you have learned it by heart because I'm going to take a test. Students, today we'll be taking one step ahead. We learned about India yesterday, and today we'll be learning a little more about the word. Children, this is the map of word. This is the map of the word. Here you can see different continents. The countries are not given in detail. You can say North America, South America. This is Greenland. There is no population here. Africa. This is Europe, Asia, and this is Australia. Children, as I told you earlier about the globe is the model of Earth. This is how our Earth actually looks like, whereas map is a picture. So if I open this round figure, it will look like this. Students, this is another map in front of me. The difference between this map of word and this map of the word is that here the North America and South America, they are given on our right hand side, whereas in this map they are on our left hand side, North America and South America. But it doesn't make a difference because ultimately all are on this earth in a spherical shape. Children, we'll be learning a little more about different countries. So this is North. First of all, we'll see India. Where is my India? This is my India. And children, this is the flag of India. So I'll be fixing this flag of India here. I'll also be learning about a few more countries. This is the flag of China. So I'll just fix it where the China is. Now, this is the flag of Japan, and I'll be fixing it here. This is the flag of Canada. I'm fixing at the place where Canada is. This is the flag of United States. I'm fixing this as where United States is. This is the flag of Australia. Children, you can see at the corner, it's the same as of United Kingdom. So the reason is that Britishers ruled Australia for a very long time. This is the map of United Kingdom I was just referring to. So I'll place it here where the United Kingdom is. And this is the map of South Africa. Take it from here. So children, besides India, I have learned the flags of 7 more countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And this is your homework also. You are expected to learn the flags of 7 more countries. Many of you have already done last year when we did International School Award activities. Children, today I'll also be sharing with you the neighboring countries of India. Can you zoom it, sir? Now this is my India, and I'll be learning 7 countries, 7 neighboring countries of India. This is India. This is Nepal. I'm removing these flags for the time being. This is Nepal. This is Bangladesh. And a very small country, Bhutan. Bhutan is the happiest country in the world. Very small country. This is Myanmar, another neighboring country of India. This is Sri Lanka. Can you see that? And this is Pakistan. So these are the 7 neighboring countries of India. Children, you are expected to write down the names of these 7 neighboring countries of India and just find out their capitals, right? By then, have a good time, have a nice time, eat good food, stay healthy. Bye-bye. See you next time.